So to do the job, I'm gonna be using my microscope. And if you don't have a microscope, you can probably do it with magnifying glass with enough magnification. So there is the board, and I'm gonna show you how to remove it first thing. Okay guys, this is the board that I actually fixed on the video, and the video took a little longer than 13 minutes, and actually YouTube didn't allow me to upload it because it was longer than 10 minutes, so I gotta take at least 10 minutes to do the video. So what I did, I repaired a different board, and I took some pictures of the process, and so I'll be explaining the process through pictures in the process of this video here. So I mean, that way it'll take me a little less time to do the video. This is the connector up close, and this is what we're gonna be repairing. The first step is to remove the upper wires of the connector. What you see me doing here is pushing one of the wires to the side. Then I go to the lower part of the wire just to create a wiggling motion so that it breaks easier. Then I continue doing the same to the other upper wires. So this is what we end up with, just the base and the legs still attached to the motherboard. That's the next step to remove this. So what I'm doing here is going under the base, then pushing it to the side and then up. Notice I have removed the two first wires as well as the base. Notice I have not scratched up the motherboard. After removing the wires and the base, you're gonna end up with just the legs attached to the motherboard itself. The next step is to clean up the pads and put a little bit of flux. Then you end up with the pads cleaned up, as you can see here. So I got the connector ready to be placed. As you can see, that is the connector right there. As you can see, I have the connector in place, and I'm about to start the soldering process. So I'll show you how is it that I do it. So I have finished with the soldering process. This is the final product. Gets a little dark when I get too close to it. So I have some pictures at the end showing you the final product. And actually, I wanted to tell you that I have a bunch of connectors. So if you want to do the repair by yourself, I actually sell them on eBay. I'll have the item number in the description. Or if you don't want to do the repair by yourself, shoot me a message and I'll help you do it. So I gotta say thank you guys for watching, and I hope that this video actually helps you with your broken connector. See you till next time.